Hi. In the 1970s, a theatre collective in Canada decided to go into the countryside, Ontario, to put on a farm show, a piece of work about the lives and histories of people who were living there at the time. One of the actors who did this went on later to write a play, and that's what I'm here talking about. It's Michael Healey's play called The Draw Boy at Clwyd Theatr Cymru, which is where I'm standing. I'm Barry Kyle, I'm a director, and I'm standing in the middle of a field. And you may wonder why. Well, this particular theatre, which is one of the finest theatres in the United Kingdom, is situated in the middle of the countryside in North Wales. And usually this field I'm standing in has cows. And right next to it, here, is the theatre where we will do this play. And very simply, it's a play about two farmers who have been living together for nearly 30 years in a farm in Ontario. And one day a young actor comes to their farm and says, "Can I work for you for 2 weeks and learn about farming, because I'm going to put on a play?" Of the two of them, one of these farmers has what appears to be a serious brain injury and memory loss. Not to tell you the whole story, but later when they see the play, one of them finds their memory has come back. And this remarkable play goes on to be a very moving and very funny account of the way in which these two worlds intersect. So I'm now going to move from this field into our version of a field and a farm in the theatre. So we're now back in the theatre, and this is our set. This, I'm told, is called a hay baler. It's used in the play, and come and see it. It's a terrific piece of work between the 7th and the 29th of November.